Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to fold origami lucky stars for Pride. You'll need paper strips cut down to 1/2 inch by 12 inches, a ruler, pencil, and scissors, and a needle and thread to turn the stars into a garland. To make the stars, start by folding the paper carefully into a single knot. Then use your fingers to push and slide the paper around to make sure all the sides are flush and it becomes a shape of a pentagon. Make sure you have one side that is longer and one side that is shorter. And fold down the shorter piece of paper so that's flush against one side. If the short side of the paper is too long, you could rip it or use scissors to cut it down to at least half of the size of the pentagon. Then start wrapping the long end of the paper around the pentagon shape. As you're wrapping the paper around, make sure you use light pressure and not to flatten the paper too much, as this will make it harder to pinch the star later. Keep wrapping until you reach the end of the paper. Once you reach the end, cut down or rip the paper down to size to make sure it fits into one of the folds and then tuck it in. You should be left with a neatly wrapped pentagon shape. Next, using your index finger and thumb, pinch between each of the points. Gently pinch each of the sides, and when you're done, you should be left with a 3D origami star. Continue folding more stars to fill up your garland. These stars take practice to do, so don't worry if the first few stars don't come out perfect. Once you get a hang of folding them, you'll be making lots in no time. For this garland, I made 3 stars of each color of the pride flag. Next, I'm going to double thread my needle and tie a knot at the end. Then I'm going to thread on all my stars in rainbow order. For this step, you could thread on other supplies like beads if you'd like. Once I'm done threading on the stars, I'm going to space them out. You can make your garland as full or as spaced out as you like. When it's done, I'm going to cut the thread and tie a knot at the end. The garland makes a wonderful decoration for our front desk at SCYAP. We hope you have a wonderful and safe Pride Month, and that we continue to educate ourselves to stand up and fight for what's right. Everyone deserves to feel safe and to be loved. Thank you for watching, and as always, the written instructions will be linked in the description box below. See you in the next video.